What's going on, everybody? This the big homeboy Johnny Oso, Oil Smokers Only official. That's triple OG for all you singles and doubles out there. We wanted to come and smoke with you guys for a minute. Bring you to a historic occasion. We're casting the very first DSLs here. We are swung by High Desert Healing in Phoenix earlier. We were talking to them about the Earl Camp event. If you're in Phoenix, if you're in the Valley, if you're in Arizona, if you're in Hawaii, you need to catch a plane ticket, man, and come down here. Earl Camp, 2 days after domes, Casa Grande, tons and tons of patients, big smoke, one side flower, one side oil. You guys need to come check that out, man. It's going to be a blast, man. One of the biggest that's ever been done down here. So we picked up a couple of pre-rolls. Looks like we have an indica and a sativa. I think we're gonna go ahead and do the indica, just because we're on the back side of this. So if you guys got it, we're always doing a few different things, man. You know, 3D printing the t-shirts, so on and so forth. This is what we want to completely encourage people to do. It's about inclusion, man. Cannabis inclusion. Go out and find other, if cannabis is your passion, find other things to tie into it. And get it out there, cross that medium, make cannabis a part of that thing. So right here, we are casting some silicone out of a 3D model that we had cut. This particular silicone is food grade approved, of course. This is 10-to-1, so that means that it's 10 parts silicone to 1 part activated. So we're just varying a really small amount. So let's get this measured out here. Let's see here. So like I say, a really small amount. We're just looking for about 0.1. So this is the stuff right here. This is the catalyst to activate it. Okay, bang, and that's all she wrote. All right, so we're at 0.15. So that means we need 1.5 ounces of this. .6. Oh, we almost nailed it. We almost had it perfect. We're about 0.15 over, and it shouldn't be too much of an issue. So this stuff you gotta stir real well. What are you guys doing today? We're making DSLs. We're smoking raws, making DSLs. If you guys are down here in the Phoenix area in Arizona, I'm sure you're aware we have a ballot coming up soon. Please get out there and vote. Whatever your opinion is, we believe that cannabis is the answer, and we believe that it's going to be represented at the end of it. So if people act in their true nature, we believe that we're going to come out on top. So please get out there and vote. Support your local movement. 41959. What are you waiting for? Also official, the birthplace. All right. So ordinarily, we would pump this down for a little while and get all of the air out. But just for the sake of doing this quick video, we're just gonna go ahead and pour it like that. So you see these air bubbles. That's bad news. You don't want those in a silicone print. They'll all show up. That's why you put in a vacuum chamber and pump it down. So I don't know how many times today you've had people tell you one thing and do another, but this is also official, and we make our own rules. So one of the things that we want to do here is pour in the same place. Air pockets could get trapped in here. The silicone is really, really dense, and eventually it'll affect your print if there's air bubbles in there. So we'll see if we got enough here to fill this mold up, and it looks like maybe we do. So this is history here. This is the very, very first DSL. We're gonna bring you guys back and then show you what we're talking about as soon as it's done. We're gonna burn this at the joint with you guys. We might even get a little backyard volcano action going on. But until then, this is also official.